The Great Reset is a term coined by the World Economic Forum and Prince Charles of United Kingdom. It is a proposal made in response to the global pandemic caused by coronavirus. The global pandemic has changed the world in many ways, both economically and socially. Hence, the Great Reset aims to reshape the world to face these challenges. It aims to make it brighter and stronger and a more sustainable world. According to the World Economic Forum, it is time to reimagine, rebuild, reevaluate, redesign, and rebalance this world. According to the YouTube channel Economics Explained, the Great Reset aims that every new recovery stimulus, whether fiscal or monetary, now contains green conditions. The challenges of the Great Reset. Although this proposal garnered a lot of support from celebrities, it did not get any support from the economists. The reason behind it is that, according to Economics Explained, the proposal seems very bloated and very idealistic. Also, it is very confusing because it tends to cover many areas under it, ranging from demilitarization to independent media. Also, since the proposal includes the terms of green technology, the cost required to set up the infrastructure for green technology is very high, hence making the whole proposal very discouraging. It is true that the usage of green technology is going to help save money in many areas. For example, if we set up the solar panel, it is going to reduce the cost of electricity. But the time required to set up the whole infrastructure for solar panel is very high, hence making the whole process very slow. Also, the proposal expects entrepreneurs to make new technologies which are environmentally ethical. This is a good concept, but it is possible only in theory. In practical life, entrepreneurs and businesses thrive on profit, and this is what helps the economies grow. According to Economics Explained, it is the duty of policymakers and individual responsibility to maintain a good environment. Also, for the Great Reset to be successful, it requires public and private sector trust, which is hard to come by. Many people see the Great Reset as a way for the World Economic Forum to garner attention towards itself. Many disenfranchised people also feel that it is the conspiracy of the great leaders of the world. Also, the proposal encourages countries to share their intellectual property openly. Solutions to the Great Reset. According to Economics Explained, if countries invest in infrastructure, it is going to help them, as this is going to bring money into the economies. The builders will get contracts, who in turn will employ workers and architects. This will also help save money for the future. Also, we should have a comprehensive list of projects which can be implemented practically. According to the World Economic Forum, we need diverse people who can bring in diverse solutions to the challenges that we are facing. According to them, we need right people at the right place and at right time. According to me, the Great Reset is a very idealistic version of solving the problems of the world that we are facing today. There are many diverse economies in the world who have their own unique challenges and rates of growth. Hence, it's better to adopt more practical solutions and encourage green conditions wherever possible.